Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So, just came back from my trip to Japan and the Philippines, and I spent 5 days in Japan with my son. I also met with some of my Nissan Leopard brothers, and my good friend Hideo Ogawara-san gave me these Choro Q dekora trucks. If you understand Japan's car culture, these are the trucks that are very, quote, loud in the sense that they're very stylish, a lot of lights. They used to be very prominent years ago. I don't think they are around as much. But anyways, it's easy to find Choro Q cars, but I've never seen these. I'm pretty sure just I haven't looked hard enough, but I thought these were really awesome. And of course, when it comes to detail, Japan's toys are just off the charts. Anyways, I wanted to show you these three that I have. And as you know, the Choro Qs are their friction, you can just pull back. But this first one, you can see how great the detail is. The second one looks like a samurai on a koi fish. Yeah, love this one. And this one is a dragon, you can see. Again, the lights. And also with these two, these kind of glow in the dark. Let me just hit the lights real quick. Hopefully you can pick up that glow. Anyways, really awesome trucks.